Okay, so we're trying to find out if you're flexible and open to new experiences. Do you get a high from new and unusual experiences? Well, Nev and I are going to share just how adventurous we are by indicating whether or not we would participate in a few activities for thrill seekers. So we start with cliff camping, which is the extreme sport of sleeping on a portaledge.
You must be mad.
Is that a real question?
No, they must be mad.
A small hanging tent strung up to a sheer mountain face. Spending the night is one of these suspended platforms. In one of these suspended platforms is camping with a massive dose of adrenaline thrown in. That's going to be a hard no.
No, you never even have to read the rest. From me see the picture, me know.
I'm good, thank you.
From me see the picture, me know me not into that. I have a very important question.
Trying to cut down. Who was the first person who did that?
No, my question is how you reach there?
I mean,
How you reach
rock
the side of the cliff?
You climb, you rock climb. Pitch your tent and then you climb in.
No.
Eh? And my beds are nice?
No.
Nope.
No, me not into that.
Slacklining, what's that?
Me don't know, but me I'll put up this again. Essentially, slacklining is like tightrope walking, but on a tether, a line, a rope, or a cord that has a little less tension.
Well,
Come on.
that is slack for true. Why would I ever?
I would do that, like just right over my bed. You know what I
Okay,
mean?
would you do it in... He's harnessed, right? Right, so if him drop him not really going far.
Yeah, it's all right. I'm good. I'm good.
Wait now? Whoa, Jesus. Hallelujah. Nope. I just changed my mind. Not interested.
No, but him no look like him. I'm not tether up no way. No.
Then look on the... There's no net under there, you know.
No, plus it don't look like him hook up to the
Is he
rope
getting
thing
back
either.
up?
Yeah.
Father in heaven.
Him no hook up to nothing, Sim.
Yes, man, he's harnessed around his leg. Look.
No. Where you see that?
Around his leg.
Yeah, but it don't hook to the rope thing if him drop.
Cannot be.
Come on, there. No, sir. Me don't even want to know that man there. Much less. What's that? I don't even want to know it. Serious. All right, next one.
I'm still trying to get over that
No,
one.
but look there. Look there.
It's like the man is walking on hair. The next one is extreme kayaking.
No, me not take
That's
down this.
also a
I know me
negative.
no move this, you know.
Mother Nature. No.
no.
Water and rock stone. So when I pitch out of the tent, if I don't drown it, I'm going to lick my head. I know,
And if you drown, you're good at dead.
Yeah, and if you... Correct. Correct, Nev. That is...
That's what Jamaican people say.
Yeah,
No, so the man
drown
drown
and
dead.
dead. You can't just drown and don't dead. No.
That's what Jamaican people say, for sure. They say,
No.
say the little boy drown and dead.
No.
No, man. No, sir.
No, I'm not doing that.
Ride on an extreme roller coaster. No.
Let me see how extreme it is.
The Takabisha roller coaster at the Fuji-Q Highland theme park in Japan. Well, this one said Takabisha and then said Takashiba. Has a drop angle of 121 degrees, which the Guinness World Records verified as the steepest coaster made of steel. No. Me no move this from its start, you know.
I couldn't.
Sheffield, I go find
oh,
one of those yet.
no. When you
Sheffield,
look at it
some.
from that angle, that's a negative. Before I was going to...
What's up? You must be mad.
No.
You must be crazy.
No.
Why would I do that? You can't imagine you reach out right, that's why it just stuck.
It has happened, you know.
Are you upside down?
Upside it down, we say.
Upside it down.
Upside it down.
Upside it down. What's hydroflying?
We don't say yes one time yet, you know.
No, we're not saying
We
yes.
say for saying yes to hydroflying.
What is hydroflying?
So, Shana, what is hydroflying? Let's see it.
Before
It's a category of sport in which water jet propulsion is used.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, I would try that for sure. Yes. It's hard though, you know, because your core off is strong.
No,
I will try.
Not that either.
Why not?
Maybe in a pool and I don't go that high. But me not.
Yeah, but Nev, the man that have on a jacket,
Yeah.
he's just like 10 feet
No, man,
off
me
the
good.
ground.
I'll know me no move this. Me good. No, you see this one now?
That's, no, negative.
This one now, I would do every day. cage diving
Me
with
look at
sharks.
that. Me
No,
look
but
at
look at
that.
that. No, sir.
Me there on that.
We not do that.
Oh,
What's
wow. That look good. I would try
It
that.
look nice, but I'm not doing it.
I would
This
try
one I would do every day. Cage diving with sharks. You look like me, I eat that? Only must be mad.
You do it every day?
What's that?
You're in the cage, eh?
No, we're not going down there. Shark them get
So
hungry.
why
and
them
just
leave
bite
such
off
a
and
wide
just-
space in the cage for the shark mouth to come in? Obviously it can't open, but mercy.
Eh?
You can take picture. You don't need that big space to take a picture, Clive. What about hand gliding?
Metal cage is used most commonly when diving with great white sharks. In some destinations, shark baiting is used to attract sharks around the cage.
So you're calling them to come and yam you?
No, me no move. Hand gliding, me no move. Me still no move, I know.
Air sport, which a pilot flies a light and non-motorized foot-launch aircraft called a hand glider. But it have to land, you know. How the landing gonna work? That may say. Most modern hand gliders are made of an aluminium alloy or composite frame covered with synthetic sailcloth to form a wing. The pilot is ensconced in a harness suspended from the airframe and exercises control by shifting body weight in opposition to a control frame. Nope.
Hold on, don't this breeze keep you up there?
You're correct.
So what happens if the breeze just stop?
But you don't go hand gliding on a non-breezy day.
Yeah, but suppose when you reach
You're going to
up there-
catch up.
No, when you reach up there, nice and breezy, and then when you reach up there, the breeze just stop.
I don't really feel like the breeze just stopped.
Of course. One day it was raining at my house in the backyard, and it wasn't raining on the front lawn. And then my brother, who was the brightest man I know, him just said, well, the rain have to stop somewhere still, you know. So the breeze have to stop sometime still. The last one, this one now just look very sexy and so nice. Volcano boarding.
You lost me at Volcano.
Well, must say mad. Volcano surfing or volcano boarding is a sport performed on the slopes of a volcano. One of the most popular places for the activity is Cerro Negro, near Leon in western Nicaragua. Riders hike up the volcano and slide down, sitting or standing on a thin plywood or metal. So what, as you reach up, you know, it just, the volcano does.
And that may say you lost me at Volcano.
What do you call it, erupt?
Erupt.
Erupt. Erupt is
They're
the
very
word.
temperamental and they don't usually give warning. No, negative. So I'm 1 for 8.
Yeah, I don't move this.
You're 0 for 8.
I am 0 for 8. Want to like just walk in the park?
You know, it's a coward man keeps sound bone. All I never bone them very sound.
Watch them two, they try to wrap you up.
Oh, after the break, it's 10 minutes to your
Well,
health.
when it never work with Clive, Felicia, they for that. Felicia,
Felicia look like she dancing to
She
big
had trained.
stuff.